Hello and welcome back to our channel Maha Uma's World. Thank you everyone for your continued support. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we make a new video. Today I am going to make this nutritious and healthy amla pickle. If you want to know, please watch the whole video and I will explain in detail. Hello, today I am going to make amla or gooseberry pickle. The ingredients we need: amla, I am using 1 kg today, required amount of chili powder, half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, required amount of salt, some ink and cooking oil. I am using sesame oil. This oil is good for the making pickle. These are the ingredients we need. The first thing, we need to wash the amlas very well. You can see how clean I already washed very well. Now we are going to cook for 6 to 7 minutes. I am using pressure cooker. You can use in the pan as well. I am going to add the gooseberries. Then add half a cup of water. Switch on the flame and cover the lid and cook for 1 whistle. Don't overcook. Meanwhile, heat another pan and we are going to dry roast the mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds. Roast well. After few minutes, the seeds have roasted well. Make sure it cools down completely before making a powder. After it's cooled down, I add it into the blender, made a fine powder. After a whistle, now we can see the amla has opened up like a flower. This is the correct stage to take it out. If you are cooking in a pan, cook for 6 to 7 minutes. Now I transfer the amla into separate plate. After it cools, discard the seeds and cut it into small pieces. There is one small tip. While cooking the amla, don't add too much water. Then it will overcook. Now it's cooled down completely. I am discarding the seeds and cutting into small pieces. And transferring to another plate. I chopped all the amlas in a small pieces and spread it well on a big plate. After spreading it on a plate, then dry the amla for 1 hour. The amla dried well. Now we are going to start the process of making pickle. Now heat a pan and add around half cup of oil. Usually pickle will take more oil. Then only it will stay for longer. Once the oil got heated, add the amlas. Turmeric powder. Now I am adding some ink Mix well. Don't add chili powder right now. Now the amla sorted well in the oil. I am going to add required amount of red chili powder, and required amount of salt. Then sort well. Cook for few more minutes until the oil separated from the amla. After 5 minutes, you can see the oil is separating from the amla. This is the correct stage to switch off the flame and add the fenugreek and mustard seed powder. Mix well. After mixing everything together, amla pickle is ready. Now our nutritious and healthy amla pickle is ready. You can enjoy with sambar rice, curd rice or plain rice as well.
Thank you for watching. And if you like it, make sure you smash that like button and share with your friends so they can learn how to make this amla pickle themselves. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we make a new video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!